Isn't this rain so beautiful? My grass just got cut today. It's so beautiful, doesn't it? I don't know if you can see the rain. See it? I think you can see it now. Thunder in here. Look at those clouds. Let me see if I can see my wind chime blowing. Oh, yes, it is. Look at that. Can you see it? Don't my crepe myrtles look so gorgeous in the rain? Look at those clouds. So we do have a little bit of wind out here. But look at how beautiful my crepe myrtles are growing. They're so beautiful. I love it when they bloom. Look at those clouds up there. Ooh. Looks a little bit mean, doesn't it? I mean, get yourself together. And my other windmills in the back is blowing. Let me get up a little bit closer so you can see it. Oh, the wind is slowing down now. I like the clouds. Feels good out here, the little raindrops dropping on me. It's been so hot lately. And these raindrops are nice and cool. Not cold, but just cool. Just wanted to share a couple of raindrops with you today. Looking at my gorgeous crepe myrtles, yes. Just a little rain, not a lot. Just a little. And the wind is slowing down. Well, y'all have a great day from here in North Carolina, where crepe myrtles are famous. Have an awesome day. Stay dry, stay cool, be safe. Bye-bye.